Hey there everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add photo in your Telegram. So it's a profile photo. So without any further delay, let's dive right in. First thing first, let's tap into the Telegram app itself. Let's tap there. And here it will lead you to this chat page. All you have to do is go in that setting option, which is at the bottom right corner. Let's tap in there. And here you can see at the very first you can see an option that says set profile photo. You know what to do now. Let's tap into that and you can choose any photo from your gallery. Let's tap into this one. You can choose which portion to show, like select. It's a very cute photo. So let's tap into the right bottom corner. You can see this option. Let's tap in there. It's loading and it's done. And this is how you add photo to your Telegram profile. It's a very easy and quick process. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please do not forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up to our channel. I would really appreciate that, and thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.